How did your family take it when you decided to pack your bags and move? We're moving.
It was a mix because I have to be honest, my parents were cool. They were like, you're adults.
Now that's a little different than my mom.
His side.
How was it with your mom?
Oh my goodness. So my mom was crying. She was like, why are you going over there? And why are you doing this? And
so you're making the move to come to Rwanda. How was that?
it was exciting.
It was
exciting.
Ready to go. And this time, Ayla was coming. So this would have been her, this is her first time. What is that expo you have here in December? International Trade, the Trade Expo. Ayla and I were there with a friend of ours who lives here. We had this one booth and a police officer walks up. And my heart started beating fast. I'm like, oh my God. He walked up and I said, hi. He's like, you know, pretty much, how are you doing? I said, hi, how are you doing? I said, I'm fine. And he said, well, I want to say welcome to you. Welcome to my country, and I hope you enjoy it. How long will you be here? And I said, well, we're here for a while. He said, well, welcome, and you enjoy. And I'm like, what? That was amazing. And it just, he doesn't understand the burden he lifted off of my shoulders, my head, you know, everything.